Hi to my lovely viewers, it's Anjudev and welcome to Anjudev Vlogs. Now it's a rocking video from Cochin again, and this time the category is different, not a travel vlog. It is going to be on the category beauty. What is it going to be? It is going to be useful for both men and women. It's all about my hair color. Let's see how I did this hair color done from a celebrity stylist, one of my very close friend. His name is Rajiv and I call him Reeve. Let's see the parlor and let's meet him personally. Come. Guys, today's vlog is going to be different. It is going to have an interesting segment on my hair makeover and you can meet my friend Rajiv. So whenever I am in Cochin, I try maximum to reach my friend so that he will do something crazy for my hair, and I love that. And this is my friend Rajiv.
Hello.
I call him Reeve. He's from Bhutan. I wanted to do some color. Hair is okay. You can see, right? It's okay, right?
So now you are looking for the hair color services and
Yeah.
some hair color also, right?
Mainly hair color, some crazy stuff, but then I should be able to go to office
So
also.
when you have done your last hair colors, like how long before?
6 months.
6 months,
Huh,
right?
yeah.
So you want to change the color to that change the styles, or you want to go with the same things like a switch?
Like I wanted that purple pink shades and all, right?
Purple pink one.
Yeah.
Right? Let me check your hair.
Yeah.
So according to that, I will decide
Yeah.
like, what will be
Yeah.
more better for you.
Okay, that's better.
So it's not dandruff.
Huh.
You got like a dry scalp. Don't treat your scalp by any dandruff products. Okay.
Okay.
It will lead more sensitive
Oh,
concern. So now
okay.
is the dry scalp and it's become sensitive.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
this is let me check your hair too. What I can find your hair is the little bit of breakages concern is there,
Yeah.
and already chemical treated hair. So I don't want to treat so much of highly chemically again.
Okay.
So there is some color like all the pink, blue, green. Those color is not possible without
Correct,
the
correct.
blonder.
Correct.
So I can do blonder on the tip of the hair, but
Okay.
not on the root part. I
Yeah.
don't want your hair to get more breakages concern.
Okay.
Okay. So this part I will like to show you some pics also, so
Huh.
you'll be more comfortable with it. Okay.
Yeah.
And the root part will make it like a darker. In between it will come some brighter streaks also.
Okay.
And throughout you will see more colors.
Okay. Yeah.
So we'll have a hair wash first.
Yeah.
And if I can feel your hair scalp is a bit oilier and little dusty there,
Yeah.
we'll go for hair wash first. Okay? Just give us again.
Yeah. Now hair wash. Guys, he's a tattoo artist also. Next time I should try one tattoo from you.
Definitely.
So going to get my coloring started. Let's see how it is going to come out. But he suggested me not to go for crazy colors because right now my hair is not in a good condition. So he is very good that he's taking good care of my hair too. This is to give a blonde color, is it?
This one it will be blonder. This is we using for the cleansing purpose. Cleansing, it's a natural pigment from your hair.
Okay.
Natural pigment mean this you can see your hair darker, brighter. It's a pigment of the melanin.
Yeah.
So we are removing that natural pigment from your hair.
Okay.
Then only you can deposit the other color.
Okay.
But for some color like a red, brown, it can become without blonder also.
Okay.
According to your hair best level of your natural hair colors.
Okay. Now when the color gets faded, right? That time will it go to a
tone it again, tone off it again.
Okay. But will it
Color
go
will
to a
pass.
white color?
No, we are not making them white, so definitely you're not gonna have white colors.
Guys, my acquaintance with him started in Trivandrum when he was working for Fair Saloon, which is a very famous saloon in Trivandrum. From then, I've never left him. Wherever he is there, if I am there, I'll definitely go and meet him.
Yeah, she is the queen and I'm working to make her crown more beautiful.
Wow. Should tag this line.
Yeah. This is here is the crown, you are never take it off.
Yeah,
So
that's
always
right.
you have to give time for this, right?
Yeah. Like whenever I visit salon, no, it will be for my hair only.
Yeah.
And my skin is very sensitive. I can't even give it for facial.
Where I work, you only do the hair service.
Yeah, you know, right? Maybe I'll do waxing and eyebrows and all, but then facial and all, it doesn't work for me.
The color customer, they ask how long this color can be stay. This color can be fade out. We have reason of heating because of the humidities, because of the wind, airs. In air we found so much of oxygen what does not needed on the colored hairs.
Okay.
Understand? And heat is already no. We are so because of the temperature, definitely color can be penetrated and it will be fade off.
Okay. Also, if we do lot of hair wash, also it can get faded.
Definitely, that I'll come to you. There's just like and also there is a humidities. So your color we are doing on the like a where is the color pigments? We have color your hair. Each hair is made by so like the layers of the hair. So we found cuticle, cortex, and medulla.
Okay.
3 layers. So the color will be stay on your heart of your layers. That is we have cortex. So first layer is we call cuticle. So when you like humidity, so much of humidities, it will open the hair cuticles.
Okay.
So definitely the cortex is the second part. The color where it stay.
Okay.
So because of opening the cuticle, definitely the when it come humidities, directly it will affect on the colors.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the washing so much. Yeah, definitely washing so much because one time when you use the shampoo, you are using purpose of the cleansing purpose.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
When you
Okay.
shampoo or taking bath by the body soap, using the for the cleansing purpose.
Okay.
So in shampoo there will be shampoo with the sulfate. There will be shampoo with the sulfate free also.
Okay.
Sulfate also is the sulfate paraben. Those we are using purpose of the cleansing. It remove your external oil dust from your hairs.
Huh.
Understand? Same
Yeah.
this procedure. This is when there is a sulfate. Your our hair is all balanced by your pH moisture pH
Okay.
levels.
Yeah.
And a human being we have 4.5 to 5.5 is the pH natural pH levels.
Huh.
So when you color your hair with doing the blonder, so pH level it increase little high,
Okay.
and even by the ammonia also, even by the sulfate also.
Okay.
Maybe sulfate by the sulfate won't reach so high, but it does remove the moisture as very well.
Okay.
So definitely when removing the moisture, color also it's come out very well.
Okay.
So shall we go for what now?
Yes.
So I didn't deposit the color yet. Now we have same time we have to give moisture on your hair. That I cannot apply the conditioner also. So that I will do by only the shampoos. Okay, that we going to use absolute pure oil. This is the shampoo I'm going to use now for the used for the dry and damaged hair.
Okay.
So that I'm give the moisture very well. Okay. So
Okay.
this is how I'm going to use now. So when you are using the shampoo, don't need to penetrate with the water. Emulsify on your hand itself.
Okay.
This is used by L'Oreal Magenta Red, Magic Contrast Red. So it will be give a vibrant reflect. So I'm gonna add little bit over here also, because 4.204 is the brown. Definitely she need some more lighter colors. The reflection also needs some more lighter. So I'm going to use like 5 gram of the magenta red. So mixing developer percentage is 20 volume developers, 6%, same 1:1.5 mixing ratios. As I told you before, mentioned before, the blonder is just for the cleansing your natural pigment from the hairs. So this is the depositing your hair color. So first, when you apply the blonder, this is the important part. How you're going to take the section. Now you can apply how you want. Just need to like get the color everywhere. Is here you need to be get colored. This is since you have done the red colors. Red it will be cannot fade off in one time doing the blonder. So and also is what we use the developer we know is activators. So percentage of the activator I took only like a 30 volume developer. That means 9% of the 9% of the activators. So it's not it can be lift up to 3 with ammonia. By the blonder it's up to 6 you will have. This is I'm going to apply the root part first by the 4.20 mixing with the magenta. So we are applying the 4.20 root to mid lengths. This one is 4.20, that is also brown 4, and it's a color called burgundy, you can call it directly. And what another you use magenta red. This is a very known color, so like mostly colored people they know about these colors. I chose to do this color because you have previously already had red colors, and your hair, since your hair is already getting dry and treated hair, so I cannot remove the red color properly, and if I'm going to try to remove it, your hair might be get a little bit of more dry. So this is like it take 20 minutes. Okay, the processing time is 20 minutes. Like color till here, but still we are taking from little up to have a better blending.
So root is one color and
Yeah, it will be less to like a more.
we did something last time
Balayas. Yeah, last time balayas. You can just when you say like I read it, it called balayas, but when you wanna say it's balayas.
It got lot of credits. Many people told me.
Yeah. So I had planned to make it like a violet to red, but when you said like I don't have much time, so I sent my ideas. Okay. So I don't want the root also to be look blacker. Okay. So I emulsified into like hair to root. So like is here it can be get proper colors.
Okay. Now it is a blend of two colors.
Blend of two, it's a blending less to lighter. So it's like a melting the color. So this is also I'm going to apply on the root part, okay?
Okay.
The same color only, but the root part won't take much time because of the body temperatures. So we're gonna do 5-minute emulsifying on the scalp, so we will have the color on the root part also. I'm using the serum first, so it will be easily we can detangle it, comb them very easily. You have a heat protection, is that called texture. It also not only from the sun, it protects from the humidities, even technically like mechanically you use blow dryer, straightener, it does protect from the heat also, blow dryer heat, straightener heat also. Then back side you just want to remove your frizziness, you don't want to reduce your length. So because these hairs I'm gonna take it in the directions, then just gonna place on the scissor, then squeezing it down. It's done. Same things we're gonna do here also, this way. This is just the texturizing. So this how, so everybody want fluffy bangs. First we have to make the root up. So opposite here. This is how. So I'll take the dryer not straight, I'll return it. Twist the scissor, twist the dryer. Okay. First straight, then I'll twist the dryer. I'm doing the opposite side, so for that you will have some volume. Root will be thin, no? So I'll put some hair holding sprays. So for that I have to hold the hair like this. Once again, place your parting properly, then hold the hair like that. Once again. Oh, yeah.
It is setting, no?
No, this is setting spray holding the hair, but I'm trying to get some volumes.
Super, yeah. Oh my god. So got this mind-blowing hairdo, right?
Hair colors, we have
Okay.
done color melt.
So I got this miraculous mind-blowing hair color done, and thank you so much. I loved it.
welcome. Hi.
Thanks for lifting my confidence. All the details in the description box. So please do reach out to him. Thank you so much, Reef. See you soon.
See you there. See
Yeah.
you. Okay.
Yeah. So the salon name is Barracks. I'll provide all the details in the description box. After watching this full vlog, how did you find the coloring video, guys? Did you like my new color? Do comment and let me know. Give me all your valuable feedback as always. Let me know your suggestions, your questions, everything. I'll definitely respond to that. See you soon, guys, with another exciting episode. Stay tuned to my channel as always. It's Anjudeep signing off. Bye with lots of fun and love.